ditch the downfall, and join the period of profit. The problem here is that things like drawdowns, corrections, and crashes are a normal part of trading. Whether you like it or not, you will lose money. Shock, horror, I know. But the thing is, it's up to you how much you lose. And the level of work you put in dictates your losses. Jumping from system to system is not the answer. And that's exactly what the cycle of downfall is all about. It perpetuates losses because of this. You see, building a strategy requires a lot of time and effort. Stop loss and take profit levels, trade management, optimizing entries, holding periods, and psychological or emotional triggers are all things your system needs to be able to answer. To do this means you have to dedicate time and effort into tracking information and data, analyzing it, and a decent amount of trial and error. Look, Rome wasn't traded in a day, and from experience, most traders I know hate this sort of stuff, which is a real pity because this is what weeds out the part-time losers from the consistent winners. You need to collect and interpret new data before you can figure out if what you're doing should stay or be binned. And this is a never-ending process. It's also precisely why it takes so long and requires so much effort, and why most traders won't go this route. It's far easier to continually pin your hopes on that winning lottery ticket of a system than to put in the hard graft building, a strategy that suits you and your personality. Avoid the cycle of downfall. Put in the efforts, and slowly but surely, your trades will start to fall in place.